Previously recorded.
Had a little product build up. I went to the casino and my hair smells like a little smoke, a little bit. I can still smell it. It's annoying. Let's see what the light looks like. Middle part. So today I'm going to wash my hair with, if I want to get rid of product buildup, this is what I use. What I'm doing is I wet my hands. Wet my hair this way. You want to get product build up as your hair works. I don't want to put too much on there because I know I don't need that much. Little Ducky's clean. Dishwasher liquid, but it works, guys. I know this is going to get rid of the smell and any product buildup that I have because I haven't washed my hair in a couple of weeks, and that's a little too long for me. Okay, just a little too long for me. Fresh out the shower, a little wet. Like I said, I don't use a lot, just to remove any buildup. It's gone. Rose water. Apply some of this oil to my scalp. Roll up with bubble girl. Spray the oil. Apply some of this to my edges, honey, Gonna keep my edges going. Make that growth, baby. For now, I'm just gonna top it off with my oil sheen. Oiled up to the T. There, I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but.
I applied a lot of oil because it dries your hair out. However, you have to put it back in there. So my hair is clean, all the gunk, nasty stuff is out.
Do a slight retwist. A twist to the front.
This video was recorded in October 2019, but I still do my retwist just like this. It goes by really quickly. I don't use any clips. I make sure that it's clean, and then I just start twisting to the front, and that is pretty much it. I don't like the fresh retwist look, so that's why I don't use any clips or put that much effort into the retwist. Once I'm done, I put it in sections, and that's it. So I do everything at night pretty much. I'm a night owl. But I cannot go to bed with wet hair, so I have to put out the blow dryer. Gets the job done. Now I can go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.